Good morning, everyone. Today, the 1st of December 2025. I am Pramaha Suretwachiriyano. I would like to suggest Nakhon Phanom Buddhist College. Here, we are studying four majors. The first major, we are studying Buddhist study program. Second program, we study political science or political habilitation. Next major, we study English teaching. And last program, we are studying social study program. Here, we have monk student and lay student. We study together. We join the class. We open for everyone. You don't need to pay much money. You can save money for your future. You can save your parent money. And college is not far from your house, from your village. You can come easily to join the class every day. We have weekday program. We study Monday to Friday, and we have weekend day program. We study on Saturday and Sunday. Here we open for everyone, Thai people or neighboring people. We have students from Thai, we have students from Laos, we have students from Vietnam. We study together. Now we have students over 300 students to join the class here. Now we open for new students. We have admission for students. If you want to study here, you can contact us online and on site. Here we have monk teacher and lay person teacher teach here. If you want to learn at Nakhon Phanom Buddhist College, you can enjoy classroom, good classroom, enjoy teacher, enjoy the lesson or classmate. We have monk student and lay person student. We study together. For major, when you finish 3 year or 4 year study, you have a bachelor degree. You have the right, you know, the same as any person, any people who finish from government university. You have the same degree with them. You can go to work any places around the country because this college is under control of government. Government support budget, government support money every year is under control of government. If you want to know more about detail or any information, more detail, you can contact us our website here, World Wide Web nkp.mcu.ac.th. This is our website, Nakhon Phanom Buddhist College. If you want to learn here, I hope you get better job, you get better future, and you get good environment. You get good friend here. Thank you for watching today. I hope if you want to study here. You can make good decision to come here. Thank you very much for watching our video. This is a for test video only. Okay, thank you. See you.